Welcome to another episode of Coffee with Amar. This is season 2, episode 6, and I'm very thrilled to have our very special guest from Japan, Mr. Sato, Yuichiro Sato, CEO of Syslabo INC company. It's honor to have you here, sir, and I'm excited to deep dive into, insightful conversation about innovation, as you are a CEO, so we will talk about leadership and the future growth of the technology. So let's get started. So, uh, Sato
Yes,
sir, can you tell me about yourself? Little bit like from Japan and how you became a CEO of this company, how you thought up to found this company, and how it went.
okay. First of all, thank you so much for having me today. I'm happy to be here. And I think UK time is 11 a.m.
Yes.
In Japan, it's around 8 p.m. and you can see the dark outside. Yes, actually, I'm in the meeting room for
Mm.
now. And so we talk in the same moment, but we are in very different times of the day. I think this is quite special. Like it feels nice that we can connect, even though our times are so far apart.
Fun.
Yeah. And okay, uh, before I start, I'd like to say one thing about my English. I can, yeah, sorry about that. I can understand English when it is slow, but my speaking is not still easy for me. I've been studying, but I need more time to speak in a smooth way. So, but I also think this can be a fun and a new experience for you. It's not common to hear like real Japanese English from a Japanese CEO on stage. In many cases, Japanese people who work overseas speak English very well. I think they do. So maybe today you can enjoy something a bit different and fresh. I hope. I will try my best today and thank you for staying with me and I hope you enjoy this session.
For sure, sir. So,
Yeah.
yeah. Basic introduction, like Sato, like how you became CEO, how you started this company, what was your thought on it, something like that.
Okay,
Little
sure.
bit.
Um, so how about telling me about um, our company and about me? Okay. So Syslabo, let me share a bit about Syslabo. Syslabo, as you know, like is an IT company with a history of about 30 years.
Oh,
Yes, our company was established in 1991. So we started as a small team in Tokyo and step by step we grew as we worked with many companies in Japan. And today our head office is in Tokyo and we also have a branch in Osaka. And our team has around 120 members for now. And from the beginning, Sisiabo focused on system development and support for enterprise companies. Over time, we expanded into new areas. Now we work with ServiceNow, AWS, AI tools, and ERP systems. Yeah, these are the main fields where we help our clients today. So basically, most of our companies, like clients, are Japanese enterprise companies. Like these companies have big systems and important daily operations. So they need a partner that can give safe and steady support. We help them with new development, system setups, screen designs, and daily support, a lot of things. And we stay with them for the long run. Yeah, so this is Japanese
correct.
English. Yeah, not only at the start of just only project, after the project, we still support them. And Sisabo works with companies in many industries like manufacturing, aviation, telecom, finance, and many other fields in Japan, like metro, subways, we
Oh,
support them. Yeah, like in each industries has different needs. So our team takes time to understand, and our team. Uh, I'd like to tell you, like, basically, our employees are from Japan,
oh,
but for now, our team is also becoming more international. Like we have members from Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Angola.
okay.
Yeah,
Angola,
Angola.
Africa, Africa.
Actually, like that company is European country
Mm.
between Spain and France.
Okay,
Near Spain, yes. Yeah, he's good. And our company languages are Japanese and English, so I have to try to study and so we can work with many kinds of people and share many different ways of thinking. Like this mix of ideas help us grow and gives us our projects more depth and creativity. So this is Cislabo, a company with 30 years of history, a team of 120 members, and a strong wish to support enterprise companies in the future, like the companies all over the world.
mm.
And sorry, I have security.
Yeah, yeah, it's so nice to hear. It's been 30 years to Sys Labo, and now you're taking it globally. So
Yep.
very happy for that. So, Sato, like, can you walk us through a recent project where Sys
Yeah, sure.
Labo made a significant impact for a client? I saw your customer success, on the ServiceNow website. It was very, intuitive. So, can you give some lights on it as well? Like,
Sure. Um, we are ServiceNow offshore partner in Japan. We are consulting and implementation partner for now, and um, impact projects are, are like, えっとね, we do a lot of things about ServiceNow. Like we do use App Engine, like HR, Human Resources Project, and ITSM and ITOM,
right.
a lot of things, yes. And our ServiceNow project, this is kind of one of our story, but aviation companies and um, telecom companies and heavy industry companies.
Okay.
Okay, and actually use we develop service now.
Mm.
Actually we are user
Okay.
about yes, and our customer story. If you go to ServiceNow website, US website, you can see our voice.
Mm.
Yeah,
Voice.
so you can see our ServiceNow case study on the ServiceNow US website. It's about how we use AI change our work in a better way. So if you have time, uh, please take a look.
Yeah.
Yes.
If it is about service now, we always have time. We have a lot of time.
Nice.
And
And
so when, yeah, yeah. Go on.
sorry for taking time. And how about like let me sorry uh, talking about myself. Yes. And my name is Sato, and I am the Sisabo. Sorry, I am the CEO of the Sisabo Corporation, and I have been working in the IT field since I graduated from university. And I'm 33 years old.
Okay.
So that means we were established in 1991. So actually, my second CEO in this company. And now, today, I oversee management, sales, and business development at this level. And actually, I negotiate with uh, Japanese bank. Like, yes, a lot of stuff. And our clients include companies such as Nikon, like camera.
Camera.
Yeah. And SoftBank, they are our customer,
Oh, oh.
actually. Yes, about service now. And yes, I I became CEO last year, and very I do like I love this job. And actually, I went to Munich two
Hmm.
weeks.
Munich, yeah, World Forum.
I went there, and um, every year we go to knowledge
Knowledge.
industry and World Forum Tokyo as well. And last time World Forum Tokyo, our member uh, spoke in front of audience
Knowledge.
for 2 days.
Oh,
Yes. And 2 weeks ago, I went to Munich to join World Forum, and I got wonderful experience at that time, like the passion in the European market, and I really love that. Like atmosphere was awesome. Everything was cool. I just can't say cool.
yeah. In London also, whenever Sato you come, like you should attend this World Forum London. So it is also very awesome. So being heart of, of UK, London is the heart of UK. So you will see a lot of companies, people of like-minded people. And when the day starts and it gets ended, people don't come to know here. So that kind of synergy is there during the World Forum event, and feel blessed. I have been part of World Forum from last 3 years. I have been going to World Forum, so it's great fun. Meeting a lot of people, understanding what is going on, what is the future of service now,
Yes,
the keynote sessions when it starts, what exactly is coming. AI, they are making a lot of progress in CRM. AI tower, they call it as AI tower. You might have seen in the keynote, they are starting the tower where you can, it's like a dashboard. You will understand how many transactions are going on. So yeah, it's a future thing. Let's see how it goes in service now.
yeah. Actually, I listened for 7 sessions at that time, including in keynote and
Keynote.
ending session. Yeah, that was good. That was awesome.
Did you had any session of physician like in London at the end of the World Forum? There was a, I don't remember. He's a very famous physician, so he was talking about this space and all. I don't know. It was there in Munich. No,
No,
no.
actually, I really wanted to go to London to participate at World Forum, but that time I had another appointment
Mm.
in Tokyo, so unfortunately we couldn't. But next year, I can guarantee I will go. I
And
have to go.
I will be there to welcome you. On the gate. Sato, please come with bouquets and all.
Yes, I will.
Yeah. So Sato, can you tell me like how Syslabo, like everywhere it's all about agentic AI everywhere. So how you guys are leveraging AI and automation to drive the business growth? Because I think whenever the client comes now, they must be asking for AI because it's a booming topic and it decreases the amount of work efficiency increases with AI. So how you guys are leveraging AI and how business is going and how much growth it is showing. Can you know, discuss on it?
Yeah, sure. So, how about like, I can tell you like 2 episodes about ourselves and other clients. And ourselves, let me share how we use AI and automation at this level to make our work easy and to give more value to our clients. So first, we use AI to cut
Mm.
small tasks. In many companies, like people type like entry, the same information again and again. Like they open many screens, copy many times, and this takes time, just takes time. So with AI in ServiceNow, we can make drafts for text. We can make short summaries for long history, and we can show the next step in a simple way. And this makes daily work much more easier and faster, we believe. And actually, we calculated, and that was good. Next, um, this is not just about ServiceNow, but um, we have our own AI tool. We call it Ask Now. Like,
Awesome.
yeah, RAG, 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 yes. And we use Microsoft 365, and it connects
With
many,
Copilot.
yes, exactly. It connects many documents inside our company and gives answers in a very fast way. So our team can find information in seconds, and new members, this is important, like new members can understand work without asking many people. We have not only Japanese employees, just like Andorra and Bangladesh members, so they can ask and they will get just answers. And it's very good. Like this saves time and it also makes our team more confident. And um, about ServiceNow, I just told you, but we also use automation with ServiceNow. Like we set up a flow, many steps move by themselves. So our client, sorry, this is about, uh, so I just mixed about things. This is including us and including our clients,
Right.
which use ServiceNow. Like we also use automation and we propose to use AI with ServiceNow and many steps just go very smoothly. So our clients, like this is one example. So our clients do not need many emails or phone calls. Like tasks move smooth and people can focus on more important work. Like um, we propose our clients about citizen development.
Mm.
Yes,
Citizen development.
right. So basically, like AI also gives us a new way to support our clients. Like with AI, there are a lot of things just go smaller and think more easily, and we can focus on like important job. So we stay with the client and help them grow step by step. Okay, and we we think like some people think like AI takes our job or
Job.
something.
Yeah.
Yeah, like um, but look at our history about cow or like horse, everything, like even clothes. Like AI doesn't take away work from engineers, we think. Like AI takes away heavy tasks, so our engineers can spend more time on design, advice, and making better systems against our clients or against even ourselves. So this is how we use AI and automation as this level to make business grow and to give our customers, clients, a better and easier way to
Perfect.
work. Yes. AI agent with service now. magnificent and
Mm,
like mixed. Important thing is mix that connect everything like Microsoft, Google, and their legacy system, everything.
correct. So as you spoke like Sato about that Ask Now application you guys have built. So very similar to that, we also have an application in our company. So as you said, if I want to search any document, I just need to type to that bot, and it gives us all the details. So policies, anything which I want to know about the company policies, HR, leaves. So now it becomes very easy. So we have also done in our company, because we are Sato Microsoft partner company. We are a
Oh,
leading partner of Microsoft in the UK or in the global level as well. So we do lot of good stuffs with Microsoft. So this we have built it in Copilot.
okay. I can show you, but let me. How about just sharing my screen?
Yeah, yeah, you can share. You can share.
Okay. So one moment. Screen share. I think this one is correct. And yes.
Yes.
And this is our customer story. What I just told you about. And uh, I can't. Okay. I suppose it works. So you can see what we have done, and yes, for now 120. App Engine now assist for creator, and this is how we went well.
2x time.
Yes, and you also will see my face in this picture.
Yes.
Actually, I'm very ashamed, but you can see it. And this is about ask now.
Ask
Sorry,
now.
this is yeah. Now you saw in Japanese, but when I asked something in English, how about Sislavo?
Bum, 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 bum.
Yes, yes. They tell us a lot of things.
Ask now.
Yeah, and actually, this is we use only internal for now.
Yeah.
Yes, but we have technology and skills to build like this product.
Yeah, there is lot of scope. You can basically sell this application to the clients as well. If they like, they can implement in their own company for some of your clients.
Yes,
Yeah, about Yuichiro.
about me.
Mm.
Okay.
So much about you. If you type about me, how much it comes? Can you check about Amarjit Pal? Just type.
How many in your name in this ask now? へえ、そうなんだ。Yeah, it's my first time to type my name.
Mm.
Oh, yes, it's correct. Second funding period. Oh, yeah,
Period which began in 2018.
okay. And
Perfect.
before sharing our story,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. That was good. That was good. So, so my next question, Sato, is like, what advice would you give to someone looking to build a career in IT services? Basically, I will not talk only about service now, because I see Syslabo does a lot of work in other
Mhm.
service, other space as well. It's not just you guys are restricted to service now. So, how you see someone, any advice if you want to give, they want to grow their career in IT services. So, what exactly they should do?
Okay. Um, I'm very humble to say. I'm very afraid to say to give someone like my advice. But my advice for someone who wants to make a good path in IT is very simple. Like Do not aim for perfect at the start. Aim for steady steps. For my experience, yeah, it's for sure. Like in IT, things change very fast. Like new tech comes out again and again. So the most important point is to keep a curious mind, like very curious mind. If you stay open to new things, you can move up in a smooth way. Like next, this is very important thing I think. And next, use your hands. Like do not only read or watch. Try things. Like make small apps. Test new ideas. When you use your hands, you get real skill.
Yeah.
And things like, and this stays with you for a long time. And another point is, I think, communication. Some people think IT is only about tech, just like writing code. But I think, in fact, it is about people because IT is for people.
Correct. Making life easier.
Yes, for our lives. So you need to hear what users need, and you need to make simple words for them, and you need to make a system that fits their daily work. If you can do this, you will be very strong in IT. And also, and against me, yeah, do not be shy about asking for help. Like IT has many good communities and many people want to support new members. Like join events like World Forum all over the world and join study groups and meet people with the same interest. Like this gives you many new ideas and new chances. And one more thing, like do not fear mistakes. Today, I try, but I'm trying to be not be afraid of speaking in English, but I can say like exact same things to study IT fields in IT. Like mistakes are a part of the game. Sorry, my language is not exactly correct, but I think like when you fix them, you get better. When you test again, you get even better. So my advice is stay curious, use your hands, talk with people, ask for help, and enjoy the journey. If you do this, you will grow fast in the IT world. We trust.
Perfect. Correct. So yeah, the key is like step by step. It's not
Yeah,
like overnight success you will get in IT. It's step by step. Understand the user requirement. Correctly said.
yeah, that's true.
And I'm very curious. Like what's your vision for Syslabo now? Like its growth and expansion in the next 3 to 5 years. Because I saw like right now it was showing 100 employees,
Mhm.
and then you said no, it is 120 employees. So I can see the expansion is already going on. But where you see like in this 3 to 5 years to Syslabo?
Yes, um, I want make this society more better. あの but yes, in the next 3 to 5 years, my vision, my vision is to make Cicerabo open company and more bigger. That can work in many companies and many industries. I want Cicerabo to be a two global team.
Mm,
So you see, like Japan has a long history of making high quality goods. We see it in cars, in home devices, in many famous products. People in many countries trust made in Japan. I very appreciate about it. Um, and I want to bring this same high standard not only to machines and devices, but also IT systems and IT services. So this is a big dream of mine, and I want to Sisabo to be a company that makes this real. And we want to grow in a wide way. Like our path is to make, sorry, our path is to take uh, system development work from Europe and the United States. There are many companies outside Japan who want to safe and steady system work. I want to Sisabo to give that value.
Mm.
And we want to show that our team, our IT team can make like like can provide like good stuff to our new clients. Like this is a part of my dream.
Mm. Yeah.
So now we have a lot of members um, i- from Bangladesh or from Andorra, like from Vietnam, like a lot of our friends, our members help us to think about new stuff, new things, and develop system. So we have a lot of good members, and we have like open mind.
Mm.
So next 3 to 5 years, we can challenge to everything, including in AI or everything. Yes.
Perfect. So yeah, so right team member is needed for it, and I think you guys are growing, finding right team members, employees, you know, for
Yes.
that. Perfect. As you talk about that, Japan is always known for its, best thing in automobiles,
Thank you.
cameras. Sony cameras are like, and like
Yeah.
I have in India when I was in India,
Mhm.
Sato. So I had a car of Toyota. So I really
Ah,
like that brand. So Indian roads are not that good, and Toyota, like, you don't need to, go to MOT or servicing a lot, because once you have bought that car, you don't have to look for 20 years. Same goes with Sony cameras. But yeah, nicely said. So I am very fond of Japan. I don't know why. Like, people in UK are also very fond of Japan. They want to go to Japan because it's
oh,
very beautiful. I've seen in photos, but surely I will come.
thank you.
Yeah.
Actually, I really love UK and also India
India,
as
yeah,
well. Yes.
yeah.
Actually, this week I went to Bangladesh for 4 days.
Photos, yeah.
Yes, I went to uh, the university. We spoke with professors at yes. So
Oh,
this is Bangladesh story, but UK story. I have gone to UK for 2 times in my life, but next year I have to go to join for World
well,
Forum
for
and meet you.
yes, yes. And how does like you guys or Syslabo approach this transformation, for its clients? So I think there will be a lot of clients who must be very, legacy users. They don't want to move to the AI because of the fear or the security reasons. So how you guys pitch into them and try to tell them how AI can help, and how difficult, Sato, you feel to talk to such customers, and how you transform them, how you convince them basically.
Okay. Um, at Sisabo, like our way of helping companies with digital change starts with understanding their story. Like um, this makes sorry. Um, this is our belief, but um, we do not begin with tech. Sometimes we do, but we begin with people and their daily work, like real voice from their job. And we sit with our clients, we hear how they work today, and we ask many simple but important questions like what takes time or what stops smooth work, like what is good and what is not good against our clients, and what do they want to change. And many times we propose, we suggest
Mhm.
like other success story or like another way to use AI. And this first hearing step is very important for us because the best idea always comes from real works, scenes, like real voice. After we hear their story, history, we sort, organize the information in a clear and simple way. We take many notes, we put them into groups, we find the key points,
Okay.
yes, and we make an easy to see map of how the work moves
Mhm.
today. So then we make a proposal, like document, sometimes 50 page, sometimes 100 pages a lot. We make them like using PowerPoint. But nowadays, we can use Copilot or
So while
something, yeah.
but
But no stuff.
the spark is there, which we create our own PPT, and when we showcase to the client, Sato, that has a different, charm. When using PowerPoint, using Copilot, and taking that PPT and then adding our points, that charm is not there in that. Creating our own thing and showcasing to the client, and when we win the deal, so that has a different happiness.
Yes, that is true. Yeah. So I think like numbers are also important. Like clients need numbers, not
Hmm.
only about money, like how much time they can save or how many steps can be cut, like more short, or how many tasks can move automatically. So these numbers help our clients like real value of the change. And like Japanese market,
Hmm.
sorry, if I speak about Japanese market, my story will be very long. So I try to be short. But if my story is a little bit long, you can say that.
Oh, carry on.
So you can see the numbers like Japanese market on newspaper or news TV, maybe we're on the website. But in the fact, um, one of the biggest background factors in Japanese social situation. This is like general, but
Yeah.
Japan is moving deeper into an aging society actually, and the labor shortage is becoming a serious issue
Hmm.
nowadays because
Oh.
in 2024, like the population is about 123 million. But government data shows that by 2050, after 25 years, it will drop to around 104 million. Like that means uh, there is more than 21 million fewer people.
Sure.
Yeah, and get more old, including me. At that time, I will be 58.
Eight.
I in 2020.
50.
Yes. So companies are under high pressure to maintain productivity with fewer works. Like this is not just a business issue; it's a national challenge. And because of that, platforms like ServiceNow are gaining a lot of attention. In fact, in Japan, more than 600 companies, most large enterprises such as Toyota, Nissan, and Kawasaki are already using ServiceNow. Like adoption is growing, especially among traditional industries that use their own internal tools or systems built by large SIR companies. SIR is SIR is a common
Command.
word.
Okay.
Common. Sorry, SIR. I think SIR is in might be in Japanese.
Hmm.
SIR. Do you understand the word?
Can you spell it? I will just Google it then.
S. I think
S
System Integration Company.
S I A
SIER.
S I E S.
I think this is Japanese English.
Yeah. The
Sorry about.
yeah, you were saying Saya, SIR.
Yeah, SIER. So, and enterprise Japanese companies still have legacy system built by scratch development, and sometimes like ServiceNow AI new keywords brought new ideas for them.
Correct.
Yes, and they are very interested. They are very interested in global way. It's actually so this is where ServiceNow has a big advantage, and with the low code capability of the app engine, you can build application very quickly.
Very good.
Yes, and you don't need to start everything from zero. You already have governance, like security workflows and integration functions prepared in the platform ServiceNow. So
Correct.
for Japanese companies, this is extremely attractive. They can modernize much more faster and reduce the dependency on large development teams. So, and that's why recent years, ServiceNow is no longer seen only as an ITSM tool in Japan. Like companies are adopting HR, CSM, ITOM, SPM, everything.
Mm. Everything.
So demand is very high in Japan. That's why background is our social program. I think. I don't know. Yes.
The demand is it's been high from last 10 years of service now. So I am into this service now space from last 11 years. But I have some friends, Sato, they are
Mhm.
there in this industry from last 20 years when it got started in 2005. From from the start, from the Aspen release, they are there and they have seen all the releases from A to Z. And again, like Zurich, now it is Australia, then it is Brazil. Again, now they are going to continent wise. So, my friends, I started from A, B, C, D, Dublin,
Oh,
Dublin
W.
or Dublin or Fuji. Like,
Oh.
yeah, service now releases you have, right?
Mhm.
Right now, it is Zurich is the latest release. So they have given it from the alphabet name, city name.
Steam.
So T was from Tokyo. So service now was like Tokyo release.
Ah,
Yeah, T A B C D E F G H I K L M N O P Q R S T U. Then U is for Utah, V for Vancouver. Like that.
yeah.
So I started from D or E alphabet, the release I can say.
Yes.
So so I have seen the rise of service now a lot. Like initially when I used to tell someone, Sato, I work for service now, people were like, "What? We don't know what exactly you're talking about." So at that time, BMC Remedy was boom,
Mhm.
and ServiceNow, overtook BMC Remedy, and now everywhere it is ServiceNow, ServiceNow. But there was a stage where when I used to tell someone I work for ServiceNow, implementation, people used to say, "What exactly you do?" So it was very hard to make them understand what I do. But now, if you tell you work for ServiceNow, people, oh wow, I have an issue. Can you please help me with that issue? So like that it is. So people are so much aware of ServiceNow now. And I have one last question.
Yeah,
Sato, I know you're a CEO, you're a busy person, and on Saturday I have taken your so much of time.
thank
So,
you. Yeah.
last thing I need to ask, you know, what's the best career advice you received, and who
Okay.
gave it? Who gave it to you? Like, becoming a CEO at a very young age. So, how you take it?
Hmm. Okay. So, the best at actually my personal, I can share my personal episode. Um, my ね、そうだな。The best advice I received in my work journey came from my boss at the first company I joined, not in Sisabo, but yes, before that. Um, I, I think that was 10 years ago. I still remember the moment very clearly. At that time, I was new to the company world. I just graduated
Mm,
from university. And uh, my boss, actually, my manager
yes.
told me, yes, um, he said to me, think about your clients. Just think about your client. What do they need? What do they have issues? Like some people, they just talk about their product, just talk about their work, but ask from your clients, ask in front of your people, and they have issues. That's why they give us an appointment because they also want to get answers. So ask is important.
Yes.
Not only telling. This is one of my important episode in my life, and he also said to me, clients do not clients do not have every answer every time, and clients do not they feel this is not good, but they not they don't always have an answer, exact answer. So ask, propose, and talk and suggestion. Every steps are important. Of course, the quality of system development and testing and give them system. After that, like support, IT support with our clients, every stuff are important. So um, my advice is very simple. just respect
Mm.
our clients and ask, propose, make development, everything. Like respect is very important, I think. Like trust,
Yes.
because human to human, person to person, everything are connecting in us,
Yes.
person, people.
Yeah. So my manager Sato is also same.
Hmm?
She's a lady. She's having like 35 years of IT experience. Like just that much experience she has. And she always says to me,
Hmm?
same thing. You need to listen to the client. You need
Yes.
to be into their shoes. Go into their shoes. What exactly they want, and if you are able to understand their issue, then you will be a successful person in your life.
Yes. Yes. That is true. I agree
And
with that.
yeah, yeah. And so that's it. I think it's been like 1 hour we have been speaking, and Sato, you were great as you started with like your um, English is not good, but I can say your English is very good.
I
And
appreciate.
yeah, When you come, I think next year to Service Now London World Forum, you will be very fluent. I think now because I know in the background you are studying or you are learning English, but I know uh, you are a very good learner. I think, and you will be able
You,
to speak fluent. Next year you will be very fluent
thank you. You will see in the next year.
for sure. And thanks for accepting this, Sato. It really needed for ServiceNow community because I have seen ServiceNow is growing in Japan, and if you have come to this podcast, now I can pitch into other people as well who are in Japan. So I need to. Uh, I like to speak to people, understand how the business is growing in different location. So that is the key to open up this podcast, talk to people, and be in connection. It's a cross learning thing as well. So we are learning from you, you are learning from us. So all this come into like this experience what you have given. It came to me within an hour, and I can understand what is happening in Japan. And without connection, we cannot build this, right? That's is needed. So that's what this podcast is about. So I will just end the stream and then we can talk. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sato.
Staying with
Have a
us.
good night. Cheers. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
And
Good
yeah.
morning.